Some places don't just tell history, they whisper it. Today, I'm walking into the royal heart of Denmark, Amalienborg Palace, where elegance, tradition, and time come together. Amalienborg isn't just one palace, it's four, standing in perfect harmony. Each one has housed Danish royalty for centuries, and together, they form one of Europe's most refined royal squares. When you slow down, the details reveal themselves: hand-carved stone, regal crests, and architecture designed to command respect without ever raising its voice. The guards move with precision and pride. This isn't a performance, it's a living tradition, unchanged by time. Standing here, beneath King Frederick V, I feel the weight of history, and the quiet confidence of a monarchy that still walks beside its people. From these balconies, kings and queens have waved to the nation. And today, even as a visitor, I feel welcomed into that story. There's a calm here, no rush, no noise. Just elegance, balance, and a sense that some places are meant to be experienced, not hurried. Luxury isn't always about extravagance. Sometimes, it's about space, silence, and the privilege of standing where history still breathes. At golden hour, Amalienborg feels almost timeless, as if the past and present are walking beside me. This royal walk through Amalienborg wasn't just a visit, it was a feeling. And some feelings stay with you long after you leave.